Hello to all! Today our company Livingstone Estates and I'm Ludmila Kairakina would like to present you beautiful penthouse in one of the best beachfront complexes, Menara Beach. Please welcome! We are now in the generously sized living room. It is so spacious that you can divide it into several areas. You can have a rest area or television area. You can have a dining area where you can meet with all your family. And you can organize also office area if it is necessary. And pay attention please that this apartment is a corner apartment and it has extra window which gives you more natural light and more brightness. From the living room, you have an access to the lovely terrace with a south orientation. Thanks to the ideal south orientation of the terrace, you can enjoy the sun all day round. On the main level of the penthouse, there are two guest bedrooms, and we are entering now in one of them. Your family members can enjoy these lovely guest bedrooms with a beautiful pool views and perfectly maintained garden views. And this bedroom has a bathroom en suite. And please notice that there are installed wardrobes because, as you know, it is quite important to have enough space to store the things. And now we're entering to the second guest bedrooms, and it is on the other side of the living room, what is a very logical layout because every guest bedroom has its privacy. The second bedroom has a separate bathroom with a large shower, and this bathroom has a window which also gives you more natural light and more ventilation inside. Recently reformed and fully equipped kitchen with all necessary equipments will make the process of cooking easy and pleasant. And now we are going to the upper level by these comfortable and easy stairs where we are going to see the master bedroom. Finally, we are in the master bedroom with a charming high and wooden ceiling, and the wide and high windows let you enjoy the stunning sea views. And now we are on the terrace-solarium, which is the ideal place to stay here with your beloved family and to enjoy lovely sun and amazing sea and mountain views. From the master bedroom, you have access to one more large terrace, which you can use for any purposes you want. The master bathroom can also boast by its space, a lot of light, and by its high-quality marble finishings. The property is equipped with the underfloor heating all over the apartment, with a system of air conditioning for hot and cold, and with a lamp system. If you are looking for the property of high quality, with a lot of light and space, then come and see it. You will love it. Menara Beach is one of the best beachfront complexes. It has 2 outside swimming pools, indoor heated pool, gymnasium and saunas. Have a look around. We are in paradise.